guys, welcome back to our channel. It's your planning to a trip to Europe in 2024. You are in the right place. Today we are sharing essential travel tips to make your European adventure smooth and memorable. Let's get started. Europe is a diverse continent with a rich tapestry of cultures, language and landscape. Whether you are exploring the historical streets of Rome, the romantic canal of Venice or the vibrant nightlife of Berlin, there's something for everyone. First things first, let's talk about travel documents. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned return date. Many European countries are part of the Schengen area, which allow you to travel freely between them for up to 90 days within a 180-day period. If you need a Schengen visa, apply well in advance. Check the specific requirements for each country you plan to visit as they can vary. Next up, packing tips. European experiences are wide range of weather, so pack accordingly. Layering is key, especially if you're traveling across different regions. Don't forget comfortable walking shoes, as many European cities are best explored on foot. Public transportation in Europe is excellent. Train, trams and buses are reliable and cover extensive networks. Consider getting a Eurail pass if you plan the travel between multiple countries by train. Eurail passes offer flexible travel options and can save you money on long distance train journey. Research the best pass for your itinerary. When it comes to money, most European countries use the euro, but not all. Always carry some local currency, especially for small purchases. Credit and debit cards are widely accepted, but inform your bank of your travel plan to avoid any issues. Europe is a food lover's paradise. Try local cuisines wherever you go, from Italian pasta and French pastries to Spanish tapas and Greek gyros. Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. They often know the best spots. Speaking of locals, be mindful of culture differences. Learn a few phrases in the local language. It goes a long way in showing respect and making connections. In some countries, tipping is customary, while in others, it's included in the bill. Research local custom before you go to avoid any faux pas. Health and safety are paramount. Ensure you have travel insurance that covers medical expenses and emergencies. Check if any vaccinations are required or recommended for the countries you're visiting. Familiarize yourself with local emergency numbers. In most of Europe, you can dial 112 for emergency services. Lastly, make use of travel apps. Apps like Google Maps, Duolingo for language help, and local public transport app can make your trip easier and more enjoyable. And that's it for your European travel tips for 2024. We hope these tips help you have an amazing and stress-free trip. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel advice. Bon Byongo! Happy travel! Subscribe for more tips and adventures.